Okay. We've got some more stuff in there we need to get out. They already sucked out a lot. Did they suck out his tummy? Did you notice? Yeah. Oh, that's nasty, I know. Okay. No, it's clear. There, we got it. I'm sorry. What do you think? I'm gonna cry at you. That's interesting. Let's see. I'm gonna grab another thermometer and see if I can get a better.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll grab one not from the other room.
Hello,
I'll be down
baby.
in like 2 minutes. So
Okay.
Just keep him under here and keep him warm for a minute. He might be kind of chilly, actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on. Up. There we go.
Are you daddy's boy, baby?
I'll be right back.
Or mommy's boy? You're daddy's boy. Oh, your mama is sleeping and you're sleeping too? Oh. Uh-oh.
That might be what's going on. He might be chilled. Here we go. Let's try it. Try it. Here we are.
Oh, are you opening your eyes?